Hey guys, welcome to my new video. As you know, I have been chef for 2-3 years already, and one of the paths I decided to take was the hard and difficult one. I was working and studying at the same time. Here will be my review and thoughts about the Westminster King's College Culinary School, or whatever the name is, as during the program of 16 months, it has changed once or twice. Overall, a great place to be. I'm really pleased with that achievement. I don't regret it for a moment. In the beginning, I was waking up with such a positive vibe and couldn't wait to go and learn more. Sadly, that changed, and I will talk about it later in the video. I think having a degree or some kind of recognition is crucial for the industry. As my senior said, having a school education is better than self-taught, and I agree completely. Apparently, the college is one of the best in the country, with great facilities and its own library as well. Let me know in the comment section if you know any other good culinary school. Everything was made with professionalism, and I really liked the high standards implemented in the beginning. The teacher was great too. Huge knowledge, skills, down-to-the-earth person, easy to talk to, and a great chef at the same time. I had a huge respect for him, although I have some minor issues. Who has to go to school like I did? I think everyone. If you're in a gastropub or a 4-star hotel or even a 5-star hotel, you should go and gain this qualification and be ready for the next step, like fine dining or Michelin experience. And if this is what you want to do, I met a lot of schoolmates from top places in the country, including a 19-year-old dude working in 2 Michelin restaurants. The course was in 2 major parts, practical and theoretical. Normally we started at 9 a.m. to around 12 with our practicals. After 12 we did some theory. Theory was a heavy one with a lot of homework and a lot of things you have to study, and the deadlines are knocking on the door constantly, and yes, you have to work at the same time. I think it is crucial if your working place support you, although some places don't. The issues I had with the college. For example, we had a review every 3-4 months, and my grade for uniform was 3 and the 5 was maximum. I did ask how to improve it and what I do wrong. The answer was always in a British way and wasn't really direct. In my defense, I would say I never came without anything missing, like a hat or a tie or shoes. Some of my mates were coming with different aprons, no hat, but hey, I prefer to focus on myself. Also, I did retake my exams a few times, and it wasn't my fault. The last thing in my final assessment was I didn't receive 2 ingredients for my final dishes. It wasn't crucial, but still missing. I think we started 14 of us, and we went down to 11 after 2-3 months. At the end, probably 8 or 9 completed the program. I say probably as some of us were really behind with evidence and homework, and I was not close with everyone. Overall, I failed with my presentation and plating. In my point of view, I know it is a level 2 apprenticeship, but still I was hard on myself and questioned why I was not performing better. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and see you in the next one. Cheers.